You're looking at a sentiment score of plus 0.08 and a momentum of plus 0.23 for the global topic right now. This is noteworthy because it's a clear upward shift from our historical baseline, signaling a significant change in global sentiment trends. With the added context of 20 semantic clusters, you can dive deeper into the nuances of public opinion. Our API returns detailed insights about current sentiment, allowing you to tailor your applications based on what people are genuinely feeling about the world today. Imagine building a real-time news aggregator that adjusts its content based on shifting global sentiment. You can leverage this API to ensure your users are always in the loop with the most relevant information. Get started by visiting pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn this sentiment data into actionable insights together.